everyone. I am Ian Gaya.
I am Angel Santa Maria.
I am Rochelle Shakor.
I am Cherry Joy Mandiklik. I am Marvin Punzal.
And we are here to present the precautionary measure to follow during and after the earthquake. So before we proceed to the precautionary measure, let us define what is an earthquake first. So an earthquake is the shaking and trembling of the Earth's solid crust. It may be caused by faulting, volcanic activity, or landslide over a wide area. During an earthquake, don't panic. Stay calm and cover yourself on a chair or on a table.
Don't panic, Miss Mandy! Come over here! Miss Punzal! Hill! Go there! Cover your head!
This is an example when earthquake happens in an indoor area. The earlier video is an example of the earthquake happened in an indoor area. But what if an earthquake happened in an outdoor area like this? What are we going to do? Here are the precautions. Let's all watch this.
The reason why we're here outside the classroom is because we will be having a short activity or outdoor activity, and that is what we call earthquake drill. Class, do you have prior knowledge about that? Yes, Miss Punzal? Yes.
Cover your head when you are walking.
And you, Miss Mandiklik?
Stay calm and do not panic.
What happened? Class, cover your head!
During an earthquake, if you are in the outside, go to the ground without trees. Stay away from the buildings and other structures. Cover your head. Go.
Class, follow me! Go there! Go there! Class, where's Rochelle? Rochelle, where are you going there? No! Your mic is more important than your bag!
During also an outside earthquake, stay away from electric wires and cover your head.
Cover your head!
And still don't panic. After an earthquake, these are the safety precautions to be done. Let's all watch this.
Oh my God, we need the first aid. Forget the first aid.
How's my family, dear?
First, get the first aid kit. Check your companions if they are injured.
Yes, don't mind me. No! Just stay away from me. Don't mind me. Just rescue Rochelle there.
Mama, you sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Go there.
Hey, wake up. We need an ambulance. Oh my God. We need an ambulance.
Hello? Doctor's hospital. We need ambulance here. We need ambulance. Master, please, Master.
Just a recap, here are the safety precautions if an earthquake happened in an indoor area.
Stay calm and don't panic. Cover your head and seek a shelter under a table or a
In
chair.
addition to that, what if during an outdoor earthquake? Here are the recap.
If you are in an outdoor area, stay away from buildings, electric wires, or trees that may collapse. Cover your head. Do not panic. Don't walk with people because it may cause a stampede that may cause you injury.